Alright guys, good morning shadows. So I got up, I did a little bit of work, I'm getting ready to go out for lunch. I think today we're going to kind of tool around the Roman amphitheater, just kind of see some stuff. I also need to check on the puppet theater. Hopefully I can just buy a ticket at the box office and yeah, and see what time the show starts and all that kind of good stuff. So that's kind of the plan for today. Then when that's done, come back, work some more. I think tomorrow I might take it the work day. But we'll still go out and about for a couple hours in the middle of the day like I've been doing. I think that's really working, kind of making it so I'm not so locked up in the hostel. Plus I eat, that's a plus. So yeah, and then tomorrow also I'll book my next day in Stara Zagora. Yeah, so let's get this day started. So sitting, having some lunch. I decided to go pizza, and then we'll do, like I said, the theater. We'll do the theater, and then we're gonna buy the tickets. I stopped by the puppet theater is like 8 lev, and it starts tonight at 7, so it's perfect. It's 70 minutes, so I'll still be back in before the sun goes down. So I'm gonna stop and pick up the ticket on the way back. And so yeah, I'm going to the theater tonight. It's gonna be pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is the Roman amphitheater. We're going to go down here in just a second. Just thought I'd show you from up here and get a better view. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright guys, so it was really quick. It's not very big, but you can see it behind me here as well. Like, pretty darn cool. It's weird because I have this affinity for the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. One of my favorite quotes, "There's a peace to be found on the other side of war," is his. And it just seems like everywhere I go, something is about Marcus Aurelius. So for instance, these walls here were built by him while he was Roman Emperor. So I just think that's kind of cool. Like, maybe there's some sort of connection with us, I don't know. That's it for roaming around today. I'm gonna head back, buy the tickets for the puppet theater, and then head back, get some more work done. Because like I said, the puppet theater starts at 7, I think. So, alright guys, here we go. Guys, so I just got back. Gonna work a little. I'm actually really super stoked about this theater night. I know what you're thinking. Hold on. Stairs, still not my friend. So, it's gonna be in Bulgarian, which is fine because 9 times out of 10, the operas you go see are all in Italian or German or Spanish or some other language. For me, the joy of theater and stuff, especially, is more emotion driven. So even if I don't understand the language, the emotions are still there. And I'm actually really super stoked to see this play tonight. So I got to get to work because before I go tonight, I will change into something a little more theater appropriate on top at least. The bummer thing is that she said no water or any kind of drinks in there, so I will definitely need something when I get out. So yeah, let me get to work. Alright guys, I just got back to the hostel, got changed into my like comfy clothes, but I have to tell you, that play was amazing. I am so glad I did it. It cost me basically $4 to to see an outstanding play. Yes, I didn't necessarily understand all the dialogue, but I got the principle of what the story was about, and the acting was great, and the emotions, and the staging, like the puppet, it's called the Puppet Theater in Plovdiv. Make sure if you come through Plovdiv to check out what all they've got going on. This one was a little bit more adult, a little bit more catered to that audience, but amazing. The cast, ridiculously good, super talented in dancing and all that kind of stuff, as well as acting. Just, if you get a chance to see it, the one I saw today in English is translated to Queen of Spades, I believe. I'll make sure I check that out and put that in here. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Super stoked that I got to see it. I think I'm gonna do more theater and that kind of stuff. It's just something I really am passionate about, so I think that's gonna be something. And that's it for tonight, guys. That's where I'm gonna leave it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning shadows, just kind of getting up, trying to figure out what my day looks like today. I think I'm gonna do a work day tomorrow. Kind of a change of plans. Tomorrow I'm gonna do Kapana district as well as Old Town. I think today I'm just gonna seriously just stay in the hostel, maybe head out to get like a few little snacks for later, and just kind of work. I have a project I have to get done for a freelance client, so that needs to get done today. Plus I have to upload another vlog from my Greece trips, so it just is probably smarter and a little less expensive for me to just stay in the hostel today. And then, like I said, tomorrow we will head out probably about 10 o'clock. We'll check out the Kapana district, and then we'll head into Old Town and just kind of tool around there. And that'll be our last day in Plovdiv. So also today I need to book my accommodations in Stara Zagora. Yeah, so just kind of a work day. You're not going to see much going on today. If I have anything to say, I'll kind of just reach out to you guys. So until tomorrow, guys, we'll see you.